The most important part of the calibration curve is actually its equation, because it allows us to perform the quantification. You can obtain such equation in Excel automatically, as it was showed before, by displaying it on the graph. But actually, the displayed equation is not the best one to use for calculations. This is because the parameters A and B at this equation are actually rounded numbers, so your calculations will not be very accurate. The only solution in such situation is that you calculate the parameters A and B yourself. Fortunately, you can do this easily and quickly in Excel. To do that, you need to use function linest. Function linest is one of many functions in Excel. I will show you some of them later. But let's start with the linest. To be able to put a text into the cells in Excel, you just need to double-click with the left mouse button in the cell. So let's name the cells first. Here, A. Here we will have the slope of our curve, and here we will have intercept. Now use our linest function. All the formulas in Excel, we start with the equals sign. We write linest. Open the bracket. Here are the suggestions of the program. So first we need to mark the y values. Later we need to write semicolon. We need to mark x values. Later we need to choose false if we want to do calculations as if the trend line would go through the 0, but it's never sure that it does. So we just choose true. Double click this. And we want only A and B parameters, not any additional regression statistics. So we click false. Press false. Do not return additional regression statistics. We close the brackets. Press enter. Now we mark 2 cells. Press F2. Check if everything is okay. It is okay, so now we press Ctrl Shift and enter at our keyboard. That's how we obtained A and B parameters. We can make them looking a bit better. Just mark them, right click, format cells, and we can choose that we want to see 4 decimals. Now they look exactly the same as the graph, but they are not really the same as in the graph. They contain all of the decimals. To prove it, I will just copy this and paste into the cell as the numbers. So you can see actually that if you use these parameters in the calculations now, they will contain all the decimals as it should be.